belonging has struggle ou saudade como luta, são peças que foram desenvolvidas durante a residência e que, no fundo, acabam por criar uma linguagem entre todas, onde o assunto fala de traumascapes.
These photos reflect the situation of millions of Ukrainians which were forced to move their home and, in my case, reluctance to build a new one.
Probably someday we could experience all the joy that was postponed to that like a perfect moment. And waiting for this perfect moment is just like another kind of longing. You long for the holiday that actually will never take place, but which already is in your memory about the previous peaceful life.
Objects connected to the history meet the object connected to the contemporary state, which now in crisis.
My brain started to consider all my country like home, and I started to see symbols of Ukraine in different things that I saw in Portugal.
I hope you're taking photos is a response to this idea that when some crisis or catastrophe happens, we should immediately transform into these really competent documentarians, or sort of everything that we do has this new meaning.
Частиною моєї практики є рефлексія і таке намагання згадати, як насправді там було до того, як вірус окупації, як грибок, розповсюджувався по нашій країні.
This is very personal work, but I truly believe that it can be very insightful for those who seek themselves in pure origin.
In this period of the full-scale invasion, people have been really attached to sounds. So the obvious one, which is what I'm using in the installation here, is called air raid siren. And that was this obvious emblematic sound of the invasion that everyone recorded and wanted to share. And now in Ukraine, this is, for a lot of people, become really quotidian. It's like this thing that you hear every day.